Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access, a working Wi-Fi or Ethernet link, and the specific network adapter selected. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then change Adapter Options. Right-click the active adapter and choose Properties. Once done, select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP4 and click Properties. This is where DNS settings live. Make sure to note the current settings before changing anything, so you can revert. You're starting the real change now. Don't close Windows until you finish and test connectivity. Now you'll replace automatic DNS with explicit server addresses so name lookups go where you want. Use the following DNS server addresses and type the primary DNS, then the alternate DNS. Common picks are 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 or 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1 for faster privacy-focused resolution. Click OK to save, close all dialogues, and then disable and enable the adapter or reboot the laptop to ensure cache is clear. Finish by flushing DNS cache and confirming the change. Open command prompt as admin, run ipconfig/flushtons, then ipconfig/all to verify the DNS entries you set. Test connectivity by pinging example domains and loading several websites. If pages fail to load, make sure the addresses are typed correctly and try an alternate DNS pair. If problems persist, revert to the original settings you noted, or contact your ISP. Sometimes DHCP or network policies force different DNS. One key tip: always flush cache after changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.